Book 341, the world banned CFCs and put the ozone layer on a path to recovery. Now, thousands of dying satellites are introducing aluminium oxide nanoparticles into the upper atmosphere. Particles scientists warn can catalyze the chlorine chemistry that destroys ozone. The world thought it had solved the ozone problem when it banned CFCs. But now, thousands of dying satellites are introducing aluminium oxide nanoparticles into the upper atmosphere, which scientists warn can destroy ozone. In the 1980s, we learned that CFCs were causing a hole in the ozone layer. So we phased them out, and the ozone layer started to recover. But now, a new problem has emerged. Satellites in low Earth orbit are made of metal, and when they re-enter the atmosphere, they vaporize and form tiny particles of aluminium oxide. These particles can stay in the upper atmosphere for years and provide a surface for chlorine to react with, destroying ozone. Scientists are worried about this because it could slow down the recovery of the ozone layer. Researchers have been studying this problem, and they found that spacecraft metals are already in stratospheric particles. They used a special instrument on an aircraft to sample the particles and found that about 10% of them contained aluminium and other elements from spacecraft re-entry. The good news is that the amount of ozone destroyed by these particles is still small. But the bad news is that it could get worse if more satellites are launched and re-enter the atmosphere. Scientists are calling for more research on this topic so we can understand the problem better and find a solution. The ozone layer is still recovering from the damage caused by CFCs. Let's make sure we don't make the problem worse with our satellites. We need to be careful about how we manage our space activities so we don't harm the environment.